Tamanna this side with the summer news, and today we are at Park Plaza for Grand Lifestyle Exhibition by the Indian Pride. Yes guys, the Indian Pride is once again back on huge demand of Ludhianvis. So चलते हैं अंदर और देखते हैं कि लोगों का रिस्पांस कैसा है. Let's check out this exhibition all together. Hi ma'am, your good name?
My name is Siddha Karoda.
Okay, so tell me about something about the exhibition.
Okay, Indian Bride is a premium fashion and lifestyle exhibition, and this is the first huge exhibition after the lockdown. And we have brought a collection of brands which have never visited Ludhiana before. For example, the highlight of our show is Purnia's pop-up shop and Zahaira, obviously. And we have even Kundan, and we have a variety of options to look for, even from the medium range to a very high-end range, and huge designers have come. Purnia has Musaba, Tarun Tahliani, Riddhi Mehra. So we have quite a good collection of brands here for all the brides to be, and even the bridesmaids and their mothers.
Hi ma'am, how are you?
Good, good. How about?
Okay, so कैसे experience चल रहा है?
Good. We have just come and we are liking the stuff after a year. There's a good exhibition going on, so we have liked the stuff.
Okay, any particular preference इस exhibition में क्या अच्छा लग रहा है सबसे ज़्यादा?
Jewelry the most. They are giving the best of jewelry.
Okay, I can see something in your hand.
Yeah, it's very very beautiful ring. It is by Kundan Jeweler, and I really liked it. इतनी देर बाद अच्छी ज्वेलरी देखना भी बहुत वो लग रहा है कि it is a nice experience to watch.
So, do you want to recommend this exhibition to your friends?
Obviously, yes.
Hi sir, your name?
Hey, my name is just Raj.
Okay, so tell me something about your collection.
Ma'am, we from Demata Silk and Sarees. We have a store in Ludhiana only. This is all the collection, ma'am. We have all the collection like suits, sarees, lehengas and everything, and gowns also, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, तो अगर मैं पूछूं कि पब्लिक का कैसा रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा है?
Public response is very good, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Public response is very good. I also request all the Ludhianvis to come here and just have a visit here.
So how's the experience going on with this Indian Bride exhibition?
It is amazing. It's my sister's wedding in the April, and I was looking for my outfits as a bridesmaid, and I'm just loving the stalls. I'm just loving the new collection which is here.
Any particular store you would like to mention?
Yeah, I just love the clothing of D Marte store, and I have buy 2 outfits for my sister's wedding, and I'm just loving the collection. It's completely different, and it's completely royal collection they are having right.
It's a very good exhibition, and you get to see collections of the latest designs. I recommend it to all the Ludhiana people. They must come and visit. Very good collection.
So as you can see guys, people are enjoying this exhibition a lot. Do visit before the show ends. Till then, this is Tamanna Bedi signing off with cameraman Manish.